In this video we will learn how to manually add candidate in FlowHCM. First of all, we will log in into FlowHCM portal. Here is the dashboard. Click on the recruitment module on top navigation bar. So here you can see job candidate form. Click on the Add Job Candidate button to add a new request. Enter the details of the candidate in the required mandatory fields. The form is distributed in 3 different categories: personnel information, qualification and experience. Transcript and resume can be uploaded as an attachment. Click on Submit button to submit the request. System will show a small pop-up indicating that your request is successfully submitted. The grid shows both candidates' details in list, entered manually or applied through job portal. Click on Action button for more features for a candidate. You can apply for job of manually entered candidate. Click on Apply for job and select the job post. Click on Apply button to submit your request.